we want to integrate x squared minus 2x times x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2, all to the power 4, with respect to x. To do this, we're going to use the substitution. U is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. So if u is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2, then du dx is equal to 3x squared take away 6x. We have a common factor of 3, so this is 3 times x squared minus 2x. If we separate the variables, du is equal to 3 x squared minus 2x times dx. Look at this. We can rewrite this as 1/3 du is equal to x squared minus 2x dx. And we can see that we have x squared minus 2x dx in the integral. So this could be replaced by 1/3 du. If we now look at our integral, we know that x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 is u. So we have u to the 4. And of course the x squared minus 2x dx is replaced by the 1/3 du. So we now have a u integral. This is 1/3 u to the 5 over 5 plus a constant. So we have u to the 5 over 15 plus a constant, and we can now replace u with the expression in terms of x, giving us x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 to the power 5 over 15 plus a constant.